Hello guys, welcome back to another daily trade review. Today, unfortunately, I hit my daily loss limit and I lost two trades, which is really unfortunate. But honestly, I feel much better compared to yesterday, even though my PNL does not reflect that. I say this mainly because I follow my rules a lot better. Now, not perfectly, and you'll see why, but compared to yesterday and compared to previous days, it was much better, right? So let me just mention the levels to you guys. So price started up here, so I wanted a sell level above price. So I found a sell delta outlier of the current range we are in. If I move this, yeah, you could see this sell delta outlier, and this is close to the value area high of the current range, and it's the end of a low volume node and the start of a high volume node kind of. So it's a nice area in which I was looking for a rejection from price to take the shorts. It didn't happen. Price just collapsed, which is fine. I also had levels underneath price. So these two uh, green delta outliers as well, as you can see. This one, and then you got the one underneath here. I just connected them with this rectangle. So I only wanted to take trades near these areas today. So I waited patiently while price was falling. I did not take any trades, and when price got to my level, I took two losses, which is really unfortunate. Now, the first loss, reflecting on it, I can sort of understand why it was not perfect, at least, right? It wasn't an A plus entry. Um, as you can see, this is where I entered, and I had my stop loss. Sorry about that. I had my stop loss over here. I was just targeting these this pullback of for a possible take profit. It didn't work out though, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that. It's notifications from the vol bar chart. And now it didn't work out. As you can see, I got stopped out. Now I took this trade slightly above my level, which upon reflecting, I won't do this again. I did wait really patiently for price to reach my level, but I took a trade that was not directly inside my level or underneath it or something like that. Now the only reason I took it was because I saw this here, this nice rejection into that, so I was sort of expecting of a similar pump. Probably not the same, size of the pump, but even half of it. So let's say I had my stop loss over here. Even half of this pump, or similar size, I would have been good with a 2R, right? But it's okay. I learned from this, and I won't do it again. But then I also took a trade inside my zone, and that failed as well. It was at a previous NQ effort, a bullish NQ effort zone, which is strong for the buy prints. You gotta pair these buy prints with an area of interest and then take a trade. Because if you take them randomly, you won't get, you'll have a really low win rate. It's not good. You gotta pair them with a strong level. And yeah, after realizing this though, looking back at it now, if I would have taken this print at my stop loss at wherever, right? I would have secured at least a one-to-one because I risk $100, right? If I risk $100, um, I would have secured a one-to-one for sure, which is something. Or at least I would have gotten break even here. Now the unfortunate part is price eventually did reject and climb upwards, as you can see, and it did it without me. It's been going up from this area. But it is what it is, man. I followed my rules nearly perfectly. The only thing I kind of regret is not being super perfect with my level. But I have seen before that price isn't perfect, so price can just shoot up like this and not tap your level. That's why I took it, but I'll stick to being really strict right now in this phase of my trading, and I'll see how it goes. If I see again and again that price tends to not perfectly tap into my level and shoot upwards or downwards if I'm looking for shorts, then I'll try implement a new rule in which I'll allow myself to take trades like this. But for now, I'll keep it super strict. And yeah, guys, those were my 2 trades today. Pretty unfortunate, but I respect my risk management rules. And after these 2 losses, I'm done for today. I'll close my charts and we'll come back tomorrow. The account lives to see another day. We're only, I think, a couple hundred in drawdown, which I can definitely make back in one day pretty easily with a 2-hour trade. And yeah, that was just those were my 2 trades. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to, you can subscribe to see my progress and my journey. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. See you tomorrow.